In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move or copy files in OneDrive Microsoft 365. We'll start right from the beginning so you can follow along easily. Open your browser and sign into your Microsoft account. Once you're in, look for the app launcher in the top left corner. It's the grid of small squares that opens a menu of Microsoft 365 apps. Click that, then choose OneDrive to launch your cloud files. When OneDrive opens, go to My Files. This view shows your folders and documents in your personal OneDrive, which is the easiest place to organize and move things around. Take a moment to locate the files you want to move. You can select a single file or choose multiple by clicking the checkboxes next to each item. If you're on a keyboard, you can use Shift to select Arrange or Control or Command to select non-adjacent files. Selecting before you choose the destination makes the move quick and accurate. With your files selected, look at the top menu bar and click Move To. If you don't see that button, open the More Options menu, the three dots, and choose Move To from there. Both options do the same thing. One is just a shortcut on the toolbar. A panel will open showing your folder structure. Browse to the location where you want the files to live. You can expand folders to drill down until you find the exact spot. Take a moment to confirm you're moving into the correct folder. Moving changes the original location, so it's worth double checking. When you're ready, select the destination and click Move Here. OneDrive will process the move, and you'll see the files disappear from the original view and appear in the new folder once it's done. A few helpful notes as you work. Moving keeps a single copy of the file and updates its location, which is perfect for organizing or cleaning up clutter. If you need a duplicate instead, look for Copy To in the same menu. Using Copy To places a new copy in your chosen folder while keeping the original where it is. For large files or many items, the operation may take a moment. Keep the browser tab open and connected to the internet until it finishes. If you're working in shared folders, make sure you have permission to move items, and remember that moving shared files can affect who can access them depending on the destination. That's it. You've signed in, opened OneDrive, selected your files, chosen Move To, picked a destination, and confirmed with Move Here. Thanks for watching and happy organizing in OneDrive.